Today on Amanda's Gymnastics, we will be doing handstand back bends, bridges, and cartwheels. We have stretched before we have done this, but pause this video and stretch before you watch. And do. Action. Handstand. Handstand back bends. Come down. Cartwheel. Handstands. Point, lunge, kick up, point. Point, lunge, kick up, point. Point, lunge, kick up, point. And turn over. Now for some back bends. I meant bridges. See you next week on Amanda Fox's Gymnastics. Bye! Bye, see you tomorrow.